Welcome to English Lovers Hub.
That's right. We're here to help you speak with confidence.
Stop translating in your head. Speak English easily, starting today.
Yes, today you will speak real English, step by step, with us.
Hello, everyone.
Hi guys, welcome back to English Lovers Hub.
Today, we will practice real English conversation.
Simple English, slow English, easy English.
You can listen and you can speak with us.
You can practice while cooking, walking, or relaxing.
No pressure, just practice.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
It helps you learn daily and helps us grow.
So, are you ready?
Let's start your daily English practice.
Repeat with us, slowly and clearly.
Imagine you meet a friend.
What do you say?
You say hello.
Or hi.
Very simple, right?
Let's repeat.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Now say, how are you?
Repeat. How are you?
Again, slowly. How are you?
Now answer.
I am fine.
Or I am good.
Not, I am fine, thank you, and you every time.
Yes, keep it natural.
Now, let's talk about your day.
Simple question. What are you doing?
Repeat. What are you doing?
Again.
What are you doing?
Answer like this.
I am working.
I am studying.
I am watching a video.
Yes, like now.
Repeat after me. I am working.
I am studying.
I am watching a video.
Let's have a small conversation.
Listen, then repeat. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I am fine. What are you doing?
I am practicing English.
That's great.
Now you repeat. Pause feeling. Now, very important,
Think in English.
don't translate.
Look around you.
What do you see?
A chair?
Say, this is a chair.
A phone?
Say, this is my phone.
Repeat.
This is a chair.
This is my phone.
If you see food,
Don't just eat, speak also.
now ask questions.
Simple questions.
What is your name?
Where do you live?
What do you do?
Repeat.
What is your name?
Where do you live?
What do you do? Let's make it fun.
Yes, real conversation.
What is your name?
My name is Lavish. What is your name?
My name is Farouk.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Very easy.
But very powerful. Now, repeat with us, slowly. How are you?
I am fine.
What are you doing?
I am practicing English.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Now, your turn.
Answer these questions.
What are you doing right now?
Where are you?
Are you learning English every day?
Good. Keep speaking.
Remember, small steps every day.
Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes are okay.
Practice is important.
You are improving.
Yes, you are getting better every day.
Tell us in the comments,
What are you doing right now?
and what is your favorite daily activity?
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
See you in the next video.